In this video, we're going to go through the non-profit edition of QuickBooks. Okay, so when you first installed the program, you had a choice pop up, something similar to this, where you chose the non-profit edition. All right, and that is going to change things a little bit, the look a little bit of QuickBooks here. So the biggest noticeable change is that instead of saying sales receipts, it says donations here. Okay, when you click on it though, the donations, it still is the same screen as sales receipts, but it's just geared more towards that industry. All right, you have up here under nonprofit, you have your own nonprofit drop down. All right. And under here, it's the same activities that you can get to in other places, but again, it's geared more towards that industry. So setting up budgets, entering donations, which are sales receipts, entering pledges, which are invoices, standard accounting, enter pay bills. Programs and projects they have here, that's your class list. All right, and class meaning departments, projects, programs. You know, you can run a profit and loss basically for each program or class, doing it that way. You can import the nonprofit chart of accounts. Okay, so if you don't have your chart of accounts set up, you can import that. Now, once you click this, it doesn't give you any options, it just imports it. So you got to be really careful. You can send letters to your donors. All right, using the Word, collection letters, vendor letters, employee letters. Okay, and then they have the different nonprofit reports, which are also up here under reports. All right. Who are your biggest donors and grants? It's basically saying which customer makes you the most money and what percentage of income. All right, let's see. Some other reports that are good. Budget versus actual by donor, donor and grant reports, contribution summary, statement of financial income and expense, and then statement of functional expenses, the 990 report. And so basically, even the program and projects report is essentially just it's a total by class. Okay, so it's a report that gives you totals by class. So this is, doesn't say which class it is, but this is all, oh, it's set up top, I'm sorry. These are all the new construction class. This is a nonprofit that does construction, I guess. So all the new construction, this is all that falls into that class for this year. Okay. So some specific reports for that industry, changing the verbiage here to say donations, and that's what the nonprofit edition looks like.